In this video, we are going to deep dive into the concept of tokenization. So, what is tokenization? Tokenization is a process of breaking text into units, known as tokens. These tokens can be words, symbols, or other meaningful elements depending on the context. Simple definition of tokenization is a process of converting a sequence of text into a list of individual words or tokens. For instance, here a small sentence hello world can be tokenized into two different words with the token 1 as hello and token 2 as word. Now let us see example using Natural Language Toolkit library. This library is also called as NLTK. So let us first install the library. So here you can see I have already installed this library and it says like requirement already satisfied. Now let us write code to do the tokenization. So let us import the NLTK first, and let us import from NLTK.tokenize, let us import the word tokenize and sentence tokenize. In this example, word tokenize is used to break the text into individual words, and sentence tokenize is used to break text into sentences based on the full stop. Now let us run this particular code. Here you can see it is saying that we ran into an error. So let us resolve this error first. It is saying so here is the output. So with the help of word tokenize, you can see the text got splitted into small tokens into the words, and here you can see the results. With sentences, we have a list of only two, a list of length 2, where the first element of this particular list is the first sentence and the second is the second sentence. So that's how we can do the tokenization. You can choose different tokenization strategies based on specific NLP task and the level of granularity you need in your analysis. Other popular tokenization include spaCy and tokenization function provided by Hugging Face Transformer library.